Do you need a classy nail set that's quick and gorgeous? If you do, you need to run to Target. Because these, yes. Now let's get into these gorgeous nails. So the nails are from the Kiss Collection Classy Nail. Look at these nails, y'all. I seen them in Target. I was like, oh my God, I gotta try them out for the galleys. And yes, here's the product details. There's like 30 of them in a pack. You can combine them to make multiple type of designs. So I start out with clean prep nails, right? And now I'm opening up the box just to see what's in here, you know, laying out everything. And when I tell you, you can make whatever set you want to make with this little box of nails. You can make whatever set you want to make. You know me, I like a little bling on all, if not all my nails, most of my nails. So, of course, I have to have some of the blingy nails, and I like to have a little pop and then a little class, because it's supposed to be kind of a classy set that you can, you know, if you're going out on a date or a more fancier night out, and you can't stop and get your nails done because you're a working lady, you got kids and stuff. Pick this up, girls. Pop this on, and you'll be just fine. But yeah, right now I'm just, you know, picking out my sizes and trying to figure out how I want the nails to be on my hands. But yeah, keep watching. Like I said, super easy set to do. Multiple options for how you want to lay them out on your hands. So yeah, stand by, or keep watching rather. Okay, so now I'm pushing back my cuticles. I put a lot of cuticle oil on my nails because I do plan to take these off before the weekend is over. So I'm putting on the nail glue, and then I'm putting on the nails. Now I found that when I'm putting on the nails, I have to apply pressure to the middle of the nail so you don't get that bubble look when you put on the nails, especially ones that have like the natural part of the nail showing. I can't think of the word right now. I'm sure you girlies or guys know what I'm talking about. But just press down in the middle so you don't get a bubble. Also, make sure you put them on straight, because you'll see when I'm taking the pictures, I did put one on slightly crooked on my left hand, and it bothered me the whole time. But I was like, you know what? I'm just test driving these for the girlies, for the guys. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what they look like, and I think it's actually a very affordable set. I think they were under $9 actually. So yeah, I didn't want to, because of one crooked nails, just not show y'all, hey, you should go get these and pick these out for a good night out on a hot date, or you know, maybe for a classier night out. If you're into the blingier sets, I should say. Me, I like a little bling, so I thought this was perfect for what I like, and I thought you guys and gals would like it too. Okay, getting the last one on. I love this set. I'm gonna definitely go buy a few more packs. Now, girls, check this out. Now let's see how they do with my ordinary day of grocery shopping. Oh, found a mirror. Fit check. Comfy and cute. But these nails are so pretty. I can't stand it. Well, after a day, these nails are gorgeous, but I don't think they're for everyday wear, girls and guys. I broke one. Yep, so pretty. I was so sad when I got in the car. Yeah, if you're going out and you're just going on a regular date, or you're not gonna be doing too much with your hands, yeah, I highly suggest these. They're pretty. They're gonna be like a showstopper. They're gonna be like, oh my god, your nails. But they're not gonna make it if you're gonna do something more than that. So here I'm back home. By the time I made it home, I had to stop at another store. My thumb broke too. So, and I'm left-handed, so maybe that might be the cause. But this is what the day brought for me after a day of grocery shopping and just being out and about. So be mindful. They are beautiful nails, but let the night just be you carrying your purse and drinking your wine. Hope y'all enjoyed. Oh, and if you like this type of video and you want to see more of this kind of thing, let me know by liking and sharing and commenting below. All right, thank y'all. Have a good day. Bye.